First, you have to go to your Play Store to install the app that we are using to practice this. The app we'll be using for this video to compress your large video file to a smaller size while maintaining the quality of the video is called Panda. Okay, so open your Play Store or your App Store, then go to the search bar and look and type in Panda. This is the name of the app. Panda as in the animal. Okay, we are going to see a lot of panda here, so if this is going to be confusing for you, for those using Android, I will leave a link to this Panda app in the description of this video, so you can simply just tap on the link and go to your Play Store, then install it from that link. So I'm going to tap on this. When you get to this place, you are going to see an install button here. After that, tap on the install button and this app is going to be installed. When it's done installing, tap on the open button and the app will be opened like this. When the app is open, you will be able to access all the files, all the video files in your device. So you can scroll down and choose any video file that you want to compress. Okay, the good thing here is that the size of that video of all the videos file will be here. You can see this one is 24 MB, this one is 102 MB. So if I want to compress this file, this is what I am going to do. So for example, let's make use of this 24 MB. Let's compress it down so that it doesn't take our time for this, and I just want to show you a practical example of how to do this. So if you want to compress this particular file, you tap on it. I'm going to select it. After selecting it here, you will see an option at the downside here called next. Tap on the next button and it's going to open up like this. So here you can see the original file size of this. This is the file size 24 MB. So here we have different options that you can use. This is the small files. You can read short text under it so that you know what you are going for. The small file size, they say easy to share, the acceptable quality, quickest compression time, low resolution, medium file size. Don't worry, I'm going to give you I'm going to tell you the one I use for my videos, which has been very effective for me over the long time now. So here you can customize your size. If there's a particular size you are looking for, you can customize the size, but this is the one I use most of the time, every time. Let me not say most of the time, every time. The large file, they say just compress, so that is the one I use. The resolution is the same resolution, so I'm going to select that. When you select that, at the downside here again, you're going to see a compress button. Just tap on the compress button and it's going to start compressing. You can see the number is counting. It's going to count to 100. When it's done, I'm going to show you the original file size and the new file size of this video. And guys, you can now see the difference. Now the video is done compressing. Here you can change the name of the file. This was the original name, so I can change the name by tapping on this edit icon. Then here we have, look at the original file size here. The original file size is 24 MB. Then the compressed file size is 3.3 MB. So you can see, and the quality is the same as the original video, just that the file size has been compressed. Okay, so that is that. Then to save this video, let me change the name. So for this one, let's call this compressed. Tap on OK and the name has been renamed. Now to save it to your device, what you have to do, you can see a save button here. Just tap on this save button and it's going to be saved to your device. From here you can change the folder at which this video is going to be saved. You can change the folder from here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if this video was helpful to you, and do not forget also to drop a comment. If you don't know what to type in the comment section, you can just drop a love emoji in the comment section, so I will know that you watched the video and you got value from the video. Thank you guys. I will see you in my next video.